February is Career and Technical Education Month, CTE Month. We're here at one of our most premier CTE programs in Alpine School District. One thing that's unique to Orem High School in the woodshop program is they have a sawmill. So Pacheco, take us from a whole log that gets dropped off here, and we're going to go over and then see what next.
Okay. So logs come in. I have a few arborist friends that will bring them, drop them off.
They'll cut them into what, 6 foot lengths or so?
6, 8 foot lengths, just so that they're easier for me to move and students to move, handle safer. The sawmill can cut anywhere up to 12 feet long. Typically don't want to get that long. That gets really heavy, harder to work. But the sawmill can cut a log 12 feet long, 30 inches wide, and I'll slab it up here and sticker it, so put gaps in between it for air movement so that it'll dry evenly. This will set out to dry for a while so that students will be able to use it in the shop. But from here we go into the shop and we get them all flattened and true in the shop afterwards and turn into a final project.
Do you know of another woodshop program that has a sawmill in the state of Utah?
None, not in high school.
Yeah, unique. Mm-hmm. So the students are able to take the full manufacturing process from a tree, and then we're going to go in and see some of the things they create. But the first step is to get it into sections that they can work with.
Exactly.
Now we're here next to this CNC machine. A student took a tree trunk, sawmilled it down to a section, and then created this tabletop.
Exactly.
Explain a little bit of that process.
Exactly. So what my student did is he took this slab out from the mill. We dried it inside. He processed it and got it pretty flat, created a form, poured resin, and then took that piece of wood, this tabletop, out of that form and flattened it here on the CNC.
And I heard he made these stands in his welding shop.
Yeah, so welding right next door. He took the time, he wanted some metal legs for it, and he made these legs for it. All that he needs to do is attach it, and then his table's done.
Tell us a little bit about what draws you to this program and how you have such passion for this.
The ability to give kids the outlet to create something like this. A lot of kids will come in here and say, you know, I'm not creative, I don't know what I'm doing. But with these machines and these opportunities and getting other kids to see what my former students have done, they see that creativity and they say, wait, I can do that too. I want to try that, and then they do and end up making one of the best tables I've had in 6 years.
Students love being in your class. You were honored last year as one of our Teachers of the Year. Students were just so grateful to you, your passion for your craft and what you do, and then your connection with them. So thank you very much for what you do. It's wonderful to be in here and to see what a great work you're doing and the products that students are creating.
Yeah.
I'm here with Cale Belliston, a student at Orem High School and the creator of this table and several other projects. Cale, what draws you to the woodworking class at Orem High School?
Well, in beginning of my sophomore year, I kind of it's like, hey, woodworking sounds like a fun class. And I've also have family members that did woodworking as a thing, so I give it a try. And actually, towards the end of the year, I'm like, hey, this is something I want to do.
Would you say this is one of the best things you've done here?
Yes.
And this is, you took it from tree to table.
Like a slab of log, cut it in half and everything, poured resin in it, and that's how it turned out.
I'll tell you right now, you have a gift. That's incredible. When we first came in there, the smoothness of it, the levelness of it, it's a work of art. So congratulations on doing that. We're grateful that you have that opportunity here at Orem High School to pursue your passion.
Well, thank you.